If you've been active on Reddit for years, chances are you've left hundreds or even thousands of comments. Manually deleting them one by one is time consuming. So, in this video, I'll show you how to bulk delete Reddit comments safely and easily using multicleaner.com. First, let's connect your Reddit. As you can see, I've already connected my Reddit account and you just need to load it. Once you load it, you will see a page which on this page you can see your post history, your comment history, and according to the time, you can see all your posts and comments that you want. These are the subreddits that I've posted in, and for comments, let me choose all the comments I've made this year. For example, let me choose the first subreddit, and I want to delete all the comments from this subreddit. I will just select all and delete. And of course, I want to say, yes, let's do it. On the left-hand side, you can see a progress bar. This progress indicator shows you the comments disappearing as they are deleted. And it was that easy. So MultCleaner is ideal if you want to clean up your Reddit history, protect your online footprint, and start fresh without creating a new account. Just remember, always double check filters before deleting because once comments are gone, they can't be recovered. And that is how you bulk delete Reddit comments using multicleaner.com.